Hi, I'm Buddy Stemple. I'm the CEO of Constellium Rolled Products here in Ravenswood, West Virginia. Yeah, so we make products for a few different markets here. Number one is our aerospace business, where we supply all of the frame builders. Second is defense and space. So we are the number one supplier to all of the people that you know well, building rockets. And third is we have a big business in the transportation. So if it moves, we help make it out of aluminum so that it uses less energy and can hold more cargo. So we supply all of the major people who build aircrafts, as well as the large commercial jets, fighter jets, and business jets. Also, anyone that's, so for aerospace, we supply all the major commercial airlines that are building planes, a lot of regional jets, business jets, as well as fighter jets for the U.S. military. On the defense side, we supply mostly programs to the United States government that move our troops around and have some artillery, things like the Humvee, the Bradley tank that everybody knows about. And then on the transportation side, we're involved in the boat market, the train market, the trucking market, the trailer market, and various markets like that. We export to 41 different countries. So it's a good opportunity and a good venue to provide product to the world from West Virginia. I think in the last 4 or 5 years I've seen a positive change in the state government, more focused on retention of existing employers as well as new employers. Doesn't do a lot of good to go out and get 2 or 3 200 people plants and lose 1,000 plant. You're falling behind there. We also work very closely with our U.S. senators, Senator Capito and Senator Manchin. A lot of the stuff we do is defense, and they have been great partners with us to help us anytime we need anything to get done in Washington. I think the other thing I'll say to you is when we look to hire people, we try to hire someone who has a connection to West Virginia. They understand what West Virginia is about. They understand the ruralness of this area, and they tend to be the employees who end up with the most longevity here at the plant. So at Constellium, we'll continue to say, yes, West Virginia.